Hello and welcome to your next challenge, pair management. In this challenge you will be provided with two numbers num1 and num2. These will be integer type parameters and you have to return an array which contains these two arguments. For example, if you are given two numbers 1 and 2, you have to return an array which will contain these two numbers 1, 2. Same for 51, 21 and same for these numbers. So most basic method is to return the value in an array like this num1 comma num2. So we are returning an array with first element num1 and second element num2. We'll check the solution here. So our solution is correct. There is another method to complete this task. Let's define an array with first element num1 and second element num2 and then just return this array. We'll check the solution here. So our solution is correct. Thank you so much and I'll see you in next lecture.